This is how to appeal and reinstate your account if your account has been restricted due to unusual activity. So as you can see here, to restore your account, request a review by submitting additional information or documentation. So when you come here, when you hover around on your left, you see billing and payment. So you click on it, it brings you here, it brings you to the billing and payment section, and then you see something like contact support, and you also see your account has been restricted due to unusual activity. Then you also see something like request review. So when you click on the request review, it will ask you to go further. Okay, it says upload a government issued ID to verify your account. This helps us prevent fraud and creates a safer experience for everyone. Then when you click here, it brings you to this particular screen where you can choose driver's license, passport, state ID. State ID is like national ID, and then or tribal identification card. Now you can for all these, I recommend the state ID. Okay, state ID or national ID. Now before you select the national ID, this is what I want you to do. Come to your account, click on your profile picture at the top right, go to settings and privacy. From there you go to settings. From the settings you go to account center. From account center you go to select your profile and then go to what, the name. When you go to the name, make sure that the first and last name, the first and the last name here appears exactly as on your ID card. Your first and last name, make sure it appears exactly. If it doesn't appear exactly, you can edit. For me, I just changed this one. That is why I cannot change it back. But you can change the first and last name if it is not exactly as it appears on your ID card. Then the date of birth, make sure that the correct date of birth as it appears on your ID card is also indicated. So you save it. After that, come back to this place, select the state ID. There are even more. So we have national, in fact, very good. So for me, I'm actually going with national ID because national ID represent more of what I want to, the card I want to submit than state ID. State ID may refer to those in countries where they have states. Okay, so this one is national ID. Okay, so you can also look at green card, residence permit, or immigration papers and all of that. So I'm submitting national ID. Then I will click on next, then upload the image. So they're telling me that it must be at least 1500 by 1000 pixels. So you can come to this, go to online converter, and then go to all tools, go to image converter, then you go to JPEG, then you put 1500 by 1000, go to where the file is located, and you take it, then you click on start. When it is done converting, then you download the file. After you download it, so as you see, it now faces exactly without any warning or any problem. So you submit. So it says we are reviewing your info. You will get a notification when we have completed this review, which may take up to a few working days. Your account will remain restricted while we are reviewing your information. So you just have to wait for a few days, and when they reinstate it, sometimes they will even say 48 hours or few days, but it may take even 30 minutes. So you just keep checking if they reinstate it. If you come back here, and let me just show you, if it is reinstated, when you come back and refresh it here, it will, this particular restriction will be removed. But for now, it says your other account information is being verified. So we will keep checking to see if they reinstate it. So thank you for watching. If you follow this particular procedure and you still don't get a solution, you can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact me for assistance on how to get your issue resolved. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.